Hello dear student, welcome again. Again I'm here after a week for the dance class. We will learning a beautiful Koli dance under the project of CBSE, that is Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat, where we were integrating the two of the subjects, that is social science and the dance. And at the outset of it, we were learning dance, a folk dance, Koli dance. And again, it's a matter of great experience that we were sharing our learning, and rather we are integrating our learning by learning about other state, that is Goa, so that we were learning a dance from Goa region, Konkan region, that is Koli dance. While learning, we have seen many aspects of Goa, that is the region, the entire Konkan region, where are the places are there, what are the availabilities of trees, food, etc., and their occupation, their geographical situation. There are many things, many more. So, without taking much time, so let's move forward. And today we will be recalling back the entire movements, and I will be concluding the dance. So let's begin. Let's move. We have done last bit. Till then we will be performing right now, and then I will extend with the new movements. Let's begin. till here. So till here we have done, and we are just left over with a few steps. Like here I have changed a little bit. Instead, like Nako Mumbai, Nako Pune twice, then twice Z. As I have told you, the right Z. That is also twice. Then this is going right direction and going left direction twice. Then this is 4 times 2, 2, 3 and 4. Then again Nako Mumbai is going to be there. So before that 1, 2, chota chota, 3, 4. Then we will do the same thing. Nako Mumbai, Pune, a little bigger one. Nako Mumbai, Pune, and then send like before twice. Then this is also twice. Then this is 2, 3 and 4. We'll sit down. Then we will show the waves of C twice. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Then that we are worshipping the God, that let them come back. Their journey should be a safer one. They are praying. The women are holy women are praying that as they are going for fishing in the sea, there are huge waves, so they should come back. So that's what they are praying for God, praying to the God. Those fishermen, those boatmen should come back their home. So that's the entire message from the song. So we will do it again. So we will do from the Nako Mumbai. Two, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, small. So after twice this waves 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. शिवा दर्शन घर वाले का 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ओ नखवा बोटीन फिर वाले का ओ नखवा बोटीन फिर वाले का. This is the spade that you are holding, and this is the end of the position. So again I am doing, as this is a new movement, it starts from here. After second time, Nako Mumbai, Nako Pune, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Then 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. O nakwa, botin firwal ka. O nakwa, botin firwal ka. So, with the music, though today it was not left much, so maybe the things have got cleared faster. So we'll do the entire part again. Just lift up your basket. So that was the entire performance. I hope the things are clear to you. And the new movements are, I'm just clarifying the new movements once again. There, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And here also in the body, there is a effect of this wave. That means you have to do a sit and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. This is twice. Then Shiva, Shiva. 1, 2, 3. Onakwa, Onakwa. Just jump in front and come back. Botin, Botin, Firwal ka. Onakwa, Botin, Firwal ka. That time at the very end also, you'll have to sit. So again I'm telling you, after this Shiva Darshan Gharwal ka. Onakwa, Onakwa, Botin Firwal ka. Onakwa, Botin Firwal ka. This. So till here, I'm just performing with the music.
वेणी दावा धावा शेवा खारी वेणी धारापुरी धावा शेवा खारी वेणी धारापुरी शिवदर्शन दर्वाल का ओ नागवा बोटीन पिवाल का ओ नागवा बोटीन पिवाल का
So this was the entire performance that you will be learning, and you'll be going through the movements very meticulously, and I have more information for you. So let's come for the information that I'll be giving you. So after this thorough learning, I must tell you it was a great experience. While we are learning something new, some new style, we are learning learning about the people from a different place, their occupation, their living style, their festivals, their rituals. So this is also one of them, and as I was talking that I'll be giving some more information or instructions. So here it is. Like I wish that you learn this dance and by heart very nicely, and you just go through their clothing even, and try to wear the way they used to wear the sari. The Konkan women, they used to wear the sari. The same way you get dressed up, and for prop, as I have told you earlier also, you need a basket for that, and whatever you have available in your home, you can take that as your prop, and with full expression and with lot of enthusiasm you should learn it and do the recording of your own, so that when the time will come I can ask from you. So I will be expecting that you are going to prepare this dance very nicely, as I have told you, with full makeup and costume. And this was the last session of this dance, and again I'll be coming with more of the things of your own lesson, So till then, keep yourself fit, healthy, and stay safe.